Everyone wants to learn AI today. I'm pretty sure that you're even fascinated by the way AI is transforming every industry. There are countless YouTube videos, plethora of courses available, and an endless stream of tutorials available. But the problem is that most platforms actually teach you isolated concepts. What if there was an all in one platform where you can learn, practice solving coding challenges, you can ask your questions to an AI tutor, and also get instant assistance 24 by 7? You can even network with your community members. So, introducing you Marevlo. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the platform Marevlo, an AI first educational platform designed to transform the way learning has been. Its main motivation is to help learners learn complex concepts in a very comprehensive manner, teaching you step by step and helping you to learn in a fun, engaging way. It makes learning practical, engaging, and research driven. So, even if you're someone who's into research or an organization seeking AI solutions, then this is the right platform that is worth checking out. I would definitely endorse this platform for the way it has built the AI tutor called Mira. So, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of its features. Let's dive in. So this is a platform Madavlo.com. Let's take a tour of the platform. As you head over to this platform, you can get started for free and you would be given 60,000 free credits to get started with. You can explore various sections. Firstly, you can sign up and create a profile for yourself. Creating a profile is quite easy. You can just go to the profile section and you can add your description and achievements, skills, and links to maintain a portfolio. When you head over to the project section, you'll be finding some very interesting use cases like related to machine learning and artificial intelligence as shown over here. You can head over to the job section to explore the various jobs available, also solve the various problems and take up course lessons as well. When you go to the field section over here, you can actually, build your community. You can interact and network via knowledge sharing. You can even exchange your perspectives, share content as you could see over here, and invite definitely your friends, your acquaintances to also share content on the platform. When you head over to the plan section here, you would be finding structured courses like data structures algorithms, which makes you interview ready for any software engineering preparation. Of course, there is data science plus DSA course as well, which is definitely something which I would endorse, because if you are someone who is interested in data science and artificial intelligence, then having the knowledge of both data structures, algorithms, and the techniques of DSA is super important. So it will give you complete DSA in this package along with complete data science track, hands-on projects and notebooks, complete research with 2 research papers every week, which is giving you a solid understanding to keep up with the pace AI is evolving, and progress tracking for yourself. Of course, there's progress tracking in the DSA course as well, and there is in-browser coding workspace, which will make your learning even more practical. You would actually learn the skills which the industry is seeking. Apart from this, there is Mira, which is your personalized AI tutor. It is available 24 by 7, and you would really enjoy the experience that Mira would provide you. It is very different from the other platforms because it is actually giving you interactive explanations, making learning more practical and research driven. So, even if you have a doubt which you have in a research paper, you can actually help you get the nitty gritties of the paper. It will also help you dive deep into the coding section if you're stuck in the code as well. It also personalizes your interactions because it remembers who you are and what kinds of questions, what kinds of doubts you would be asking, your strengths and weaknesses in the sections. It also teaches you in a step by step manner, making learning more comprehensive and works on your code. As you could see, these are all the plans available. You can get started for free and it gives you free 60K tokens. And there is Day Pass, which is rupee 99 plus and Pro. You can head over to the courses section. Like I've mentioned, there are various interesting courses that you can explore, from Python basics to production AI systems. As you could see here, statistics and probability, data analysis, generative AI, and multiple modules. And they're also tagged by the level of difficulty, whether it's intermediate, easy, or difficult. You can head over to the problem section and solve various coding challenges over here to keep your problem solving ability very advanced. And also I would suggest you to keep practicing for jobs, so definitely explore arrays, binary trees, etc. You can head over to the research paper section, and if you're someone who's into research, your research assistant, let's say, you can actually head over to the research paper section and explore various papers here. There are multiple papers tagged by the topics like RL, Gen AI, Agentic AI. You just have to click onto that particular topic and you'll be finding curated list of papers which are very interesting, and you can head over to them and dive deep into them as well. You can make use of Mira anytime, which is present over here in the bottom. When you click on Mira, you can actually go to your profile section as well and look into how many credits you have. It can help you to track the number of tokens and also their learning preferences. I would suggest you to toggle on the interactive visualizer mode to make learning more engaging and effective. Mira will also give you the answers to your questions in a much more engaging fashion. If you want to explore Mira, let us just explore it. For example, I was previously asking it a question related to fintech domain. So what I did was I was asking the question of, I'm working on a credit card fraud detection problem. Help me gain the domain understanding for an ML based approach to solve the problem. It actually gave me the understanding in a very comprehensive manner, along with the visualization here and explaining me the techniques with a snippet of code for me to get started with for, let's say, rolling window moving average I would like to use on the data set. So likewise, you can actually ask your questions here. What I would suggest you is to explore this section where you can click on general if you are working in any domain, or if you want to make it more domain specific, the kinds of responses that you're getting. Let's say you're working in the niche of e-commerce, education, or healthcare, you can just switch over to that particular domain as well. If you're working in finance, you can switch to finance, or you can switch to social media, manufacturing, research as well. The answers and the kind of responses it's going to structure you, it's going to be targeted to your particular domain as well. And you have the learn mode over here for helping you understand in a much comprehensive manner, and the auto mode. Do explore Mira platform and let us know in the comments how you find this educational platform, maravlo.com, and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.